Today we'll be taking another look at futures order types and how they work with QuickTrade quick actions. We'll cover what QTN considers dynamic order types, and we'll show a really simple example that will help clarify what the options are when creating your custom chart trader buttons and hotkeys. If you're new to futures trading and are not familiar with the different order types available, I recommend you check out our previous video where we discuss the basics of future order types. We'll leave a link to the video in the description and somewhere here on the screen. So let's jump right in. All right, on our NinjaTrader chart, I have configured 4 buttons that will demonstrate the different dynamic order types. There are 4 dynamic orders available within QTN. We have the stop market limit, stop limit limit, stop market market, and stop limit market. What that means is QTN will automatically determine which type of order to use based upon where the current price is in relation to our reference price. So the example we're going to look at today, I have a simple EMA line on my chart, and I'm going to use that as my reference price, meaning that I want to submit an order at the price of the EMA. So what dynamic order types will do is decide which order type to use depending on the relationship of the current price. So as you can see, the price will go above and below this EMA line as the market moves. And so depending on when I click the button, it will decide what order type to use. The 4 buttons I have set up are to enter a long position. If the current price is above the EMA as it is now, it will submit the type of order that is listed on the right-hand side of my buttons. So a limit or a market order. Those would be the 2 valid options for orders above the market. If the current price falls below the EMA, like it is right now, then we'll be submitting the type of order that is on the left side, so either a stop market or stop limit. So this gives us the flexibility of creating a single button and not needing to decide which order type. If I know that I want my order to use a specific reference price, and I don't want to think about choosing the proper order type or having the order not be submitted because of an invalid order type, then I can use the dynamic order types to solve for this. Before we look at the example, let's see the configurations. The main thing we're looking at right now is the order type option. I have my typical order types, market, stop market, limit, or limit. And the ones we're looking at right now are the dynamic order types. These are the 4 that I have represented as buttons on my chart trader panel. The other option that I'm demonstrating right now is the open entry order behavior. I have that set to cancel. The default is update, meaning if you click the button again, it will update the order to the new price. If you have it set to cancel, it means the second time you click the button, it will cancel the order instead of updating the existing order. Each of these buttons is using the EMA indicator as a reference price. The only difference is the actual order type selected. So let's see how this will work. Right now, the current price is trending below the EMA. So for a long position, my valid options are stop market or stop limit. So really quick, I'll click all 4 of these buttons and we'll see which orders are submitted. You should see the stop market submitted for the top one, a stop limit, stop market, and stop limit.
Order submitted, order canceled, order submitted, order canceled, order submitted, order canceled, order submitted, order canceled.
Because the price is below the EMA, it chose to use the valid order type, which was the stop market or the stop limit. Now we'll look at the opposite example as the market moves above our reference price. When I click the buttons, I will see the order type placed that is on the right side. So I'll go ahead and click through each of these to demonstrate.
Order submitted, order submitted, order canceled.
We have 2 limits.
Order filled.
And we have a market.
Order filled, order filled.
And we have 2
Order
markets.
filled.
So we have 2 limits and 2 market orders that are submitted because the current market price is above our reference price. One other thing to note on the quick actions order type, if I do not select the dynamic order types, and let's say instead that I selected a stop market and I'm above the current price, the button will be unresponsive. You'll click and nothing will happen because it's not a valid order type based on the current market price. So dynamic orders allow us to enter the market regardless of the current market price using the appropriate order type. So this example should have helped you to understand the options that are available to you when configuring your order types with quick actions, giving you another level of flexibility and customization for your chart trader buttons and hotkeys. That's it for today. Don't forget to go to our website, which is linked in the description, to download your free trial of Quick Trade Ninja QTN so you can try out these features for yourself. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you'd like it and subscribe to receive future videos. We really appreciate that. It helps us reach more traders like you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.